So guys, welcome to VID Nation. We are on a mission to build the world's biggest library of videos to explain each and every concept in the stock market, right? So we are doing this using animations, live examples and real life trades. So if you are new to this channel or if you are hearing me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. So in this video, we will learn everything you need to know about Fibonacci retracement. So it all started back in the 13th century when the Italian mathematician Leonardo Bonacci, or commonly known as Fibonacci, discovered an interesting pattern in the world around us. He noticed that there is a tendency in nature to follow certain mathematical rules. So Fibonacci tried to demystify those rules using a simple sequence of numbers now called the Fibonacci sequence. And it goes something like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 18, so on and so forth. And the logic in this sequence is very simple here, right? Just add any two consecutive numbers and you will get the next one. But do not get fooled by its simplicity, because this sequence in fact became the foundation of several scientific discoveries in the years to come. Now most of these discoveries rely on the ratios that we get from this series. So for example, dividing any number by the next number gives us 0.618, and dividing any number by the second number to its right gives us 0.384. Similarly, dividing any number by the third number to its right gives us 0.236 or 23.6. So these ratios are actually very useful in physics, chemistry, biology, and several other walks of life. Now, some creative minds thought that, if these patterns are so prevalent in nature, then why not we apply them in the world of stock market? So they came up with the concept of Fibonacci retracement. And here is how it works. Let's say a stock makes a big move either on the upside or the downside. Now, after making such a big move, it is quite normal for it to retrace back a little bit before it resumes its journey. For example, let's say a stock made a move from 100 rupees to 200 rupees in a rather short period of time, and you as a trader are wondering where to enter. So this is where the Fibonacci retracement becomes very handy, because traders use Fibonacci levels to plan their entries in the trades. So what you need to do is, first of all, mark the two extreme points as 0 and 100, and then plot the Fibonacci retracement levels. So the core idea, guys, here is that the stock is going to cool down and retrace to one of these levels and then bounce back and resume its upward journey. And you as a trader will be able to enter into this trade at one of these levels, right? So these levels act as lines in the sand for traders to plan their trades. Now, Fibonacci retracement is a very, very common tool. It is provided by literally every broker on this planet, right? So let me show you how to use it in Zerodha. So in Zerodha charts, basically what you have to do is you have to go to the draw button, click on that, and then you will find this Fibonacci retracement level right here. And then just click on that and then identify the two levels that we can mark as 0 and 100, join them, and now you can see the Fibonacci retracements. So guys, that was a concept behind Fibonacci retracement. I hope that you found it useful. And if you want to test your knowledge of trading or stock market in general, we have created a lot of interesting quizzes and a lot of articles. So do not forget to check them out as well.